Okay, this video will review exponent rules. Rules you should have learned from the past, but let's make sure we know what we're doing with them. So the first three rules go with the first three problems right here. And the first rule is whenever you have the same base and you're multiplying, you keep the base and you add the exponents. So we can always multiply coefficients. 6 times 3 is 18. You probably already knew that. But x cubed times x to the fifth, we add the exponents when you have the same base and you're given exponents. X to the third times x to the fifth is x to the eighth. So therefore, answer is 18x to the eighth. In number 2, we have a power to a power. Here we multiply exponents, but people get confused by this. We're not doing 4 times 3. The exponent on 3 is really like 1, so it's 4 times 1. We're doing 3 to the fourth. 3 to the fourth is 81. And here's where you have the power to the power, x squared to the fourth. Whenever you have two exponents to the same base, you multiply them. 2 times 4 is 8, so our answer here is 81x to the eighth. Whenever we're doing division, we can simplify the coefficients. 27 over 21 simplifies to 9 over 7, and we subtract the exponents. So when you're dividing, it's 9 minus 5 is 4. We subtract the exponents. In number 4, 9 over 45 is 1/5. And my exponents, it's 5 minus 11, which is negative 6. If you get a negative exponent, that means you put it in the denominator. We'll learn more about negative exponents later on in the year, but a negative exponent represents movement. So we have 5 minus 11, we get negative 6. The negative means it's going to the denominator. And once we move it, it becomes positive. So 1 over 5, x to the sixth. And the last one, we're going to distribute the 3 to all three terms, which means we're multiplying these two exponents. 2 cubed is going to be 8. The common mistake is people want to do 2 times 3. It's not 2 times 3, it's 2 cubed, which is 8. But then x squared to the third power is x to the sixth. We multiply. Y to the third power raised to the third power is y to the ninth. We multiply. And then we're going to multiply by 3, x to the fourth, y to the seventh. 8 times 3 is 24. X to the sixth times x to the fourth. We keep that x base and add the exponents. 6 and 4 is 10. Y to the ninth and y to the seventh. We keep the y. We add the exponents. 9 and 7 is 16. So we get 24 x to the 10th, y to the 16th.